I'm about to teach you something people would kill for. Bitcoin in its entire history has been in 4 distinct golden zones. I'm going to give you 3 simple steps for you to buy in the golden zone, and I'm also going to explain whether we're still in the golden zone or we're out of it. If you're new here, welcome in. My name is Steve. Hit that subscribe button, put a thumbs up on this video, share this video with somebody it will help, which is every human in crypto. Now, in this video, how to buy in the legendary golden zone. This is something that whether you're 5 years old or you're 105 years old, you're going to be able to follow it, and you're going to be able to do it as we speak in every year in the future for you to buy at the best possible moment in Bitcoin's entire history. Now, Bitcoin, again, has only seen 4 distinct golden zones. Sometimes they're short-lived, like they were in 2011. Sometimes they're a little bit longer, like in 2014. And sometimes they're in a little bit of a median zone, as they were in 2018. But make no mistake, if you bought in any of these golden zones, you will be labeled as a superhero. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. And you're gonna be able to leave this video with exact formula of 3 distinct steps so that you can do this in the future and share it with all of your friends. Step 1 is to set up the chart precisely like this. In order to do that, you can pull up the Bitcoin chart on the monthly, and what we're going to do at the top is put the 21 MA, okay? So you can go to moving averages, you can go to the indicators and type moving average, and it'll be right here, and you're going to have the setting be 21, just like we put here. So you're going to go to the length 21, you can put the style with the color of green, and you can increase the thickness, and then it will look precisely like this. At the bottom of your screen, you're going to pull up the RSI. So you're going to go to indicators, type RSI, and you're going to click that right on your chart, okay? Relative strength index, and you're going to have the settings be precisely like this and the style precisely like this. And you're going to put, we have an upper band and a lower band as well, but we're going to really refer to the drawings on our chart. We have this bottom one at 45, okay? We put a bottom one at 45, and we put the top one up here at 96, and we put this red line here at 90. Now you're gonna have the chart set up precisely like this. Step number 1 is complete. Now, for step number 2 of the strategy, you need price action to be below the 21 monthly MA, okay? So back here in 2011, we got below, but our strategy is not complete. We need step number 2 to be yes, and we need step 3 to also be yes. We need 2 yeses in a row. Otherwise, we cannot buy in the golden zone. That's how the strategy works. So what we need is step number 1, price to be below the 21 monthly MA. So for example, we have a yes here. Step number 3 is that we need the RSI at the bottom of our screen, which measures overbought and oversold. Again, whenever the market is overbought, you never want to be buying along with the herd. You want to be selling. Whenever the market is oversold, you don't want to be selling with the herd. You want to be buying. So we're looking at the point in the market where it was the most oversold, which is here. We want that RSI to get down to 45, which is an absurd level of selling, meaning every human on earth is selling Bitcoin inside of the golden zone, which sounds crazy. It sounds absolutely stupid, but this is what happens in every single market, and it will continue to happen for years and years and years and decades more. This is what every market does. But now you're going to have this strategy. So step number 2, price action below this 21 MA. Step number 3, RSI touching at least the 45 level or below. So right here with this candle, could we have bought? Well, we had a yes for step number 2, and we had a no for step number 3. We need both to be yes. How about this candle? Could we have bought with this candle? This candle looked pretty good. Well, we had a yes. Price action was below the 21 MA, but we were not touching the 45 or below. So we could not have bought then. How about this candle? Yes, we could have bought on this candle and also this candle. We were touching or below here. So we could have bought here, and we could have bought here. We could have also bought this candle that touched down here, which happened to be, this was our lowest price and this was our lowest price. So we would have quite literally at the lowest prices when every human was selling, we were buying, okay? They were selling to us, which is really good for us. Bad for them, but they have no idea. They don't have this strategy. So this is the simple strategy. If we fast forward to 2018 and we say, okay, we need price action to be below here. How about here? Yes. Price action was below the 21 MA. Yes, we were touching here. Okay, could have bought here, could have bought here, could have bought here, could have bought here, and then no more chances. It was a short-lived period of just a couple months that you could have bought in the absolute lowest price of the golden zone following this distinct strategy of 2 simple steps. Let's fast forward to our most recent phase and let's understand, can we still buy right now and are we still in the golden zone? Well, when we entered the golden zone was precisely at this candle, but we could not have bought yet following this strategy. Our price for step number 2 was below, but we go down to step number 3. The RSI was not where it needed to be yet, and luckily for us, price dropped even further. So this strategy eliminated us buying at higher prices and made us wait to buy at the lowest price. So here, could we have bought? We had a yes for step number 2. We had a yes for step number 3, and we could have bought in any of these further candles coming up to here, including all of the lowest prices that Bitcoin has seen, and we remain in the golden zone as we speak. However, the RSI is not touching where it needs to be, so we would not be buying at the moment. We would have already stacked our bags according to this strategy, and if you follow my videos, you would have already stacked your bags for the past 6 or 8 months following our videos. Share this video with everybody you know in crypto to help them not be a part of the herd and help flip it on its head for them to make incredibly large profits. Share this video, drop a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you right back here on the next one. Do you want less stress and more success in crypto? Click this video right now.